How do you know you've outgrown QuickBooks? You already know, because today's CFOs do the research online and with peers to educate themselves. Just like Johnny Cupp, the CFO at Therapy South, you know somebody who's been there and done that and who's confirmed your intuition. Listen to this. What about transactions between entities? Do you have transactions between entities?
Yeah, so we have we do salary paybacks, and like I guess if there's an invoice that somebody gets and that 4 other clinics share that expense with them, that's going in between each. And so the do to from and Sage, you put it in once and it does both. Where again in QuickBooks, you're going to enter that in, and then you're going to have to log out, log into the other entity, and do the same stupid thing all over again. So the redundancy is going away. So whenever we were looking at Sage, I have a friend that is a CFO of a much bigger company than we are, but they're kind of built the same. So like they had 4 locations and now they have, say, 200 locations. And so, he kind of lived what I lived, and he had QuickBooks, and then he went to Sage, and he was like, he said, just do it. He said, you'll never look back and say that was a bad decision.
Johnny's team thinks that spending their day logging in and logging out of one QuickBooks company after another wastes time. No wonder his peer, who about an upgrade to Sage Intacct, advised him to just do it. You'll never look back and say that was a bad decision. Not wasting your accounting professional's day doing, as Johnny calls it, the same dumb thing over and over again. That's transformation. That's Sage Intacct. That's BTerrell SmartSuite.